Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Good? Well, I sure hope so. I'm feeling alright. I was gonna do one of those videos where I'm at the gym and there's music in the background, and by the end of it all, I add value to my cardio record. But I'm not feeling like doing that today. As a matter of fact, I don't know how I feel. I suppose the word that best describes the situation is overwhelmed. I had seizures as a kid from the ages of 10 till 16, at which point I was operated on, and even before that. I had infantile spasms as a baby. And I tend to stare off, and that doesn't necessarily apply to how I used to have epilepsy. However, I think I can finally put to words exactly how I feel. I feel like I'm being pulled in two directions. On one side, I'm being pulled up to heaven to meet the Father. And on the other side, I'm being pulled down to hell to meet you-know-who. And there I am in the middle of it all. Just fighting a battle, I suppose. I think that growing up in this clown show freak world as a Christian is a very stressful experience. As a child, what happens when you get put into a class? You get thrown into the mix, placed upon the cesspool. There's what you are and what you think, and there's what they are and what every other kid thinks. And as the years go on, you grow and learn with each other. And by the nature of the game, you kind of compare yourself to others. And their thoughts and their ideologies get misplaced and mishmashed with yours. And some people even lose themselves in the process. A Christian child might feel the need to put on a false persona or a front just to try and fit in. They might not exactly express how they feel deep down inside to others. Because what would that do? That would only make them ostracized. That would only bring them ridicule. And who wants that? As a Christian kid, you might be told, "Oh, do you believe? You claim to be a Christian? Well, you're not very Christianly." Whoever says that isn't really seeking the light of the Lord themselves, are they? Well, what exactly is a perfect Christian? What exactly is Christianly? Just Jesus himself, and that's it. You know what I mean? In this world, there are demonic forces, and there's the Father in heaven. And it's only up to you which side you want to belong to. Demonic forces lurk in the shadow realm, and they'll attempt to trick anyone who's vulnerable. When a demon attacks its prey, it'll attend to your pride and to your ego. They'll boast your ego, and they'll attend to your selfish desires. It might even feel like you're having a spiritual awakening. They'll increase your knowledge, and at the end of the day, they'll make you serve yourself more And it'll only make you more selfish at the end of the day. A demon will always mock the light of the Lord. A demon will attack your pride, but the Lord will attend to your soul. And that's the difference. So don't allow what Linkin Park says in their song Figure 9 to happen to you. Don't give up a part of yourself to become the thoughts of others. Don't allow yourself to become lost in the thoughts of this clown show world. Christianity is becoming the most hated and revered faith/practice in this world. Why? For what reason? For trying to save you? Just remember, this life is temporary, but eternity is forever.